The cells in your body are designed to run at -20 to -25 millivolts. To heal and make new cells, you need to reach -50 millivolts. When voltage drops below -20, chronic illness sets in.
This is QEWBed, the Quantum Energy Wellness Bed. Its job is simple: put voltage back into the body safely, non-invasively, with no side effects. Inside QEWBed, 5 technologies work together: a quantum energy antenna, a bioscalar field, selective frequency resonance, med-phone corrective frequencies, and far infrared radiant energy. The body absorbs the field the way a sponge absorbs water, biolight storage builds, and cells reset to their optimum voltage.
One session of 30 to 60 minutes is enough to see cellular voltage rise.
But a claim isn't a result, so we measure it. This is the Quantum Body Voltage Analyzer, our bioimpedance platform for phase angle, voltage, and body composition. Step onto the analyzer standing up. That's one reading. Take the same reading on QEWBed, the voltage is highest every time. That's proof of effect, not marketing. There's a reason QEWBed works this way. Cells are more than 70% water, and the voltage of the water determines everything. This is based on the research of Dr. Gerald Pollack at the University of Washington. Dr. Pollack identified a fourth phase of water, EZ water, exclusion zone water, that carries a negative charge and stores energy the way a battery does. Your cells are built from it. Raise the voltage of the water and you raise the voltage of the body. The EZ water machine is how you deliver that water on demand. Structured, charged, ready for the cells that QEWBed is working on. This is what ties the ecosystem together.